Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching Tech White. So in this video, I will show you some troubleshooting steps to fix this error. The error is this site can't be reached if you are unable to browse the websites. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So let's start. So our first step is check proxy settings. Go to Windows icon, then go to settings, click on settings. Then go to network and internet option, click on it. On the left side, go to proxy. Make sure your manual proxy is disabled. Make sure it's disabled, not enabled. This is our first step. Step 2 is check DNS IP. So go to the search bar and type run. Now you have to enter ncpa.cpl. Then press enter. Now go to your LAN connection. This is my LAN connection, Realtek. Right click on it and go to properties. Now select IPv4 option. Then click on properties below. Now you have to enter the DNS. On the preferred DNS, you have to type 8888. Alternative, you have to type 888, then 4 and 4. Press OK. Close. Now move on to our third step, flush DNS. So go to the search bar, type CMD. To open command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. Now you have to type a command here, ipconfig /flush DNS to flush your DNS. That's it. You can see successfully flush the DNS. That's it. You have to follow these 3 steps to fix this issue. Thank you. Thanks for watching Tech White. Have a nice day.